What's good, everybody? Today we're testing out tracking on the Mini 3 Pro. I'm pretty critical when it comes to tracking, and I really don't use any sort of automated features on any of my drones. But when it comes to tracking, I find that this is one of the more handy features, one of the handy automated features that a drone could possibly have. So we're out here at the Weeki Wachee Preserves. Nobody really out here. And I brought the one wheel. And I've got all this gear on my back, so if I crash, I'm gonna eat shit and destroy everything. So let's get started and let's see how this goes. So let's go ahead and try this tracking test. Got the brand new love handle. This is the new lanyard we created. And basically it's just to keep everything nice and balanced. And I've got my strap on. No, it's just it's a lanyard, but we're calling it the strap-on lanyard. I got a lot of fucked up names for things. But yeah, anyways, this is meant to be super lightweight and also give you a little bit more grip. And it's nice because you got these little handles, so you get a little bit more to grab onto. Hence the name Love Handle. All right, Mini 3's up there. I'm gonna try to track myself. And to do that, I obviously have to find myself here. Draw. I don't know, it's not able to find me. Stupidest thing I did was come out here without any freaking water or any sort of hydration. It is so hot, so hot. So I'm just gonna say straight out of the gate, the tracking is okay. It has a little bit of a hard time deciphering between me and another object. And then before, when it was tracking me in parallel, there was these girls that were walking the opposite direction. And then all of a sudden the Mini just decided it was going to start tracking them. So I thought that was a little bit weird. And I'm getting some good results. I will say having this like this is making it a little bit easier. So when it does get lost, I can bring it on back. Oh my gosh, it is so hot. Last I checked, it was 98 degrees and the humidity was insane. So I am going to ride back to the truck, which is a pretty long hike. This is the furthest I've ever went back into the preserves. There's like all these pits and all this weird shit out here from the old phosphate mines that used to be here. I did see some cool sand cranes. They're about as close as you're gonna get to a raptor and nowadays, but yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the footage. Sorry it wasn't a better video, but it's super hot. It's really miserable out here, so I don't even know if this will be a video. Maybe it will be, maybe it won't be. I'm not really sure. Anyways, if you want to pick up one of these, the love handles, link in the description below. It does come with a lanyard. All right, I'm gonna get out of here because look at all these bugs. You can't see them, but man, there's a shit ton of them. I'm out. Stay original.